Okay, so we definitely feel this curvature going kind of like that way.
Okay.
And it's on that left side that we feel the apex of the curve right there through those facets. We're going to adjust that. Just relax here. There we go. Good. All right. Okay. Relax here. All right. Good enough there. Okay, so we're going to take a deep breath. And breath out. All the way out. Good, good, good. Okay. Let's take a deep breath. Breath out. Relax. Okay, good. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right. Where did you feel that crack?
Up here?
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, I felt, I think, in the middle too.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wonderful. Fantastic.